368 species in genus Medinilla. Medinilla, a personal journey into the world of showy tropicals. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant colors and exotic beauty of tropical flora. Among my many botanical passions, the genus Medinilla holds a special place in my heart. These plants belong to the Melastomataceae family, with their cascading inflorescences and striking foliage, are a testament to the artistry of nature. I first encountered a Medinilla magnifica at a local flower show. Its pendulous pink bracts and clusters of delicate flowers captivated me instantly. I knew then that I had to learn more about this fascinating genus. A diverse genus with global reach. Medinilla encompasses a vast array of species, with estimates 368. These evergreen shrubs and epiphytes are native to the Old World tropics, stretching from Africa and Madagascar across southern Asia to the Pacific Islands. This geographical diversity contributes to the incredible variety within the genus. While Medinilla magnifica is perhaps the most widely recognized, many other species deserve attention. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just pretty flowers. While the vibrant blooms of Medinilla are undeniably their most eye-catching feature, the foliage also contributes to their appeal. The leaves are often large and leathery, with prominent veins that add texture and visual interest. In some species, the leaves themselves take on a reddish hue, further enhancing the plant's overall beauty. Beyond their aesthetic value, Medinilla plays an essential role in their native ecosystems. The flowers attract pollinators such as bees and birds, while the fruits provide a food source for various animals. In some cultures, Medinilla has traditional medicinal uses. For instance, Medinilla speciosa is used in traditional Indonesian medicine to treat ailments like diarrhea and dysentery. Cultivation and conservation. Growing Medinilla can be a rewarding experience, though it requires some understanding of their specific needs. As tropical plants, they thrive in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light. Proper watering and fertilization are crucial for their health and flowering. Unfortunately, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment threatens several Medinilla species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these botanical treasures and ensure their survival for future generations. Supporting sustainable nurseries and botanical gardens that specialize in Medinilla cultivation is one way to contribute to their preservation. A continuing fascination. My journey with Medinilla is an ongoing exploration. I continue to be amazed by the diversity and beauty of this genus. Whether I'm admiring a mature Medinilla magnifica in full bloom or nurturing a young seedling, these plants bring me joy and a sense of connection to the natural world. I encourage everyone to discover the captivating world of Medinilla. These plants are a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature, and they deserve our admiration and protection.